Investors watching the market. Wanted to hop on here while we wait for the IPO, talk about some news, calm some fears. If there's anybody out there freaking out, let me know what you're trading, what you're looking at, what you guys are watching. We're all watching different kind of stocks. If you've seen any of the videos, you know what I'm watching and what we're trading. But a lot has been going on. Markets are up, and S&P is hitting all-time highs, like at a cyclic rate. So multiple times today, everything seems to be pumping. And just to be safe, y'all know the deal. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun. We just talk about stocks that we like. ATNF has been interesting today. We've been in and out of that one. We've been in and out of GBio. Like that stock. It's been on our radar for a while. I might actually start talking about that one. MNTS, Momentous. We've been in and out of that one today. I didn't get in BSLK, but I've been watching it. Man, it's doing phenomenal right now. Up 240%, $7.42. So I was looking at it when it dipped down there to that 693, but still up 200%. I didn't want to play with it. It's fun to watch, though. A lot of these stocks are really fun to watch. And I've told you guys before, if you're new to trading, I mean, sometimes I don't know what to do. So I'll sit on my hands and just watch. You know, the FOMO gets people and it gets you in trouble. It's got me in trouble trying to chase stocks. So fun to watch. SGBX. That's been a good one for us today. Also, what is it? Mullen. Really quick in and out of SGBX. It popped up. We caught it at the bottom and it popped up there to above the 2267. Really quick trade, but I actually it's setting up for a nicer trade here. Watch out for SGBX. Might be talking about that one in a future video if it keeps getting beat up the way it's dropping here. I like the drops on it. Might actually get back in there. Let's see what else. Nothing too crazy. No other trades that we've done today, but guys, let me know what you're trading in the comments after this video is over as well. I know there's people that still watch the lives, and that's great. Thank you guys for watching. All the thumbs up and all the new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Keep trying to do you guys justice. And talk a little bit about BLSH, you guys, while we wait on it. A lot of hype. Like I said in the last video or two that we've talked about it. A lot of hype behind the stock, and the price range has gone up. So if you were able to get in on it, definitely need to be watching the stock. Definitely need to be watching this stock. Anything could happen. I think that it's going to do well. I think it's going to do really well. I've even made sure I've got a little bit of cash set aside as well, just like a lot of people but I think it's gonna, from what it looks like, it's hard to even get in. So for me, it's gonna be more watching than trying to get in right now. The initial price for this thing is in the 60s and 70s. So BLSH, it's definitely hyped up like I thought it would be. And I know there was a lot of people that were scared to even talk about it. Even the people that I watch on YouTube and social media, they're kind of scared to talk about it. But now that all the hype is here, um, I think people realize that people are ready to buy this thing. Subscribe, absolutely. Appreciate all the subs. Welcome in, Thyro and Matrix. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are making some money today. Peloton's up 5%. So let me know what you guys are trading, what you guys are watching. ESP. I don't know if I'm familiar with that one. This is what you're in? We talk about the stock market, talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, which there's a big IPO today. That's awesome. Welcome in, you guys. Let me know what y'all are trading, what you're hyped up about, what you're excited about. I know a lot of people are ready for BLSH, the bullish IPO. BSLK still doing well. ATNF, we were in that one this morning, still doing well. Wiggles, if you don't know, that's what I call it. Wiggles, WLGS, doing really well today. We almost took a position in that yesterday, but I thought it was going to drop closer to the 5 cents. So thank y'all for the likes and all the comments. Appreciate it. So shout out to everybody that was able to get in at that $32, $33 range, because bullish is going to hit way above that. We're looking at mid 60s, close to 70. 70 clams. Bit mining, BTCM, BMM, like those are doing well. And that's why a lot of people, me included, feel like the IPO is going to do well. Peter Thiel, he knows what he's doing. It's just stacked with MVPs, y'all, and even the CEO coming from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, y'all. So it's going to be something that we haven't seen in a while. And like I said before, people have been waiting for over 2 years for this. Welcome in, y'all. Let me know what y'all are trading, what stocks you're watching. Market is exciting. A lot of opportunities. It took me a while to even get on here, so I'm not going to try to make this too long like normal. Get back in the charts. Start finding the bangers. And GoPro, trying to go green here. And Big Bear going down 4%. If it continues, yeah, we're gonna pick up some shares of Big Bear again. So bring it on down, bring it on down. We love that price. What else? What else? What else? What else are we trading, y'all? Crypto's hitting all-time highs. Ethereum, just unbelievable. Bitcoin, unreal. So you can imagine with this IPO, it's going to be wild. Bitcoin is up 2%. I believe it hit, yeah, almost 123. Wow. Sheesh. So if it does that again and it's inching up towards it, looks like it could break out. We could be looking at 130,000. Waiting on the IPO. This is how they've been doing it, though. This is how they've been doing us. I think, especially with this one, they probably are gonna have to halt it anyway. So if they wait later in the day, they won't have to halt it as much. I know y'all don't probably want to hear that, but Big Bear headed back down to 570. Welcome back. Welcome back. Crypto on fire. BSLK is about to hit a daily high here again. Looks like it wants to double top. Could be hitting $8. Just wild, wild stuff here. Up 250%. Don't get to see that every day. Stock's up 300%. Pretty cool. MNTS. Be watching that one until market closes here. But it looks like it's going to pop again. I was trying to catch it down there in the 160s. I like that one. MNTS, hard one to say, but just popping out of nowhere. Up 60% this month. Yes, sir. Shot was another one. I believe we talked about it in the last live, but it was down really bad a couple days ago. I believe yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday it was down to 44 cents and it's 60 cents right now. It hit 60, almost 67 cents today. So just crazy pop here. 50% since yesterday. And it's still down 50% this week. So kind of watching this one because it's doing well overall this month. It's up 20%, up 35% this month. I'm sorry. But like I said, still down almost 50% this week. And today, 36% right now gains on this. Just, I think it's, yeah, it's an American company, Florida, food and drink. I don't think I heard about it before, but it reminds me of GTA because if yeah, it's funny. Maybe that's why it's doing well. Some of these stocks can become a meme stock or meme play, momentum play, regardless. If you can catch the momentum, you can make some money. Bolt, like I said, still it's flying right now, y'all. 786. It looks like it wants to hit that $8. Yep, 795. There it goes. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Fubo up 5%. There you go. Enjoy timeout. Have fun with that. Market is on fire. All right, bullish is creeping up, y'all. That initial price is creeping up. Hasn't gone public yet, but some people have shares. I've also heard people are not able to get it. So, like I said, congratulations if you're able to get in on that thing. And we'll take a look at the other list. ACDC, I've been watching that one. Hit hard today. I think yesterday as well. Comstock, we've been watching that one. And Kava, watching that thing too. It's super expensive. I can't really afford it. And I might just dollar cost average in that thing. It's really interesting. $64. If it gets any cheaper than that 60 bucks, I'm gonna seriously consider it. Very expensive stock, but just down, down, down. When do I think it opens? I think it's gonna be soon. probably around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I'm Eastern Standard Time, so that's probably, you know, probably within the next 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour, maybe hour and a half is what I would say. That's how they've been doing it, closer to the 2 o'clock time frame, So look for it near the end of the trading session here. And I've got my speculation on why they do that, but I don't want to jinx anything. Think it'll do well, you guys. If you're in there, I think it will do well. It's part of the reason why I wanted to hop on here, to quell any fears that anybody had if they're freaking out, like, oh my goodness, like, where is it at? It's gonna happen, y'all. I'm sure. If not, they'll let everybody know. But I don't see it why it wouldn't happen. It's just gonna be later in the day. That's how they've been doing the IPOs, the newer IPOs. So this is one of the most anticipated IPOs. So I expect it to do well. But like I was saying, while we wait, ACDC is something I've been watching. It's a fracking company, and they've been down bad. I like it in the less. If I could get like 350, $3 for it, I'd be in there. But it's already at like yearly lows here. Beat up pretty bad, and another American company, Texas, baby. So we do love that. Don't care about the earnings. Don't care about that. Looks bad. Bad numbers. Don't care. If you understand economics and where we're at right now, fracking is not going anywhere. Oil and gas is the future as of right now. And so is crypto. So is crypto exchanges. So is AI. A lot of people trying to dump on AI right now. But it is the future. Bolt hanging out up there at those all-time highs. Well, it's actually not all-time highs, but man, that'd be interesting to see it hit $24. It's already up 230%. Watch out for Bolt for the end of this week, I guess. Could be retracing that. Or, close to the $10 probably. If it goes up any more than it is. Yeah, we talked about that one. Oh, didn't talk about this one, but I feel like there's people out there that might watch this video that are in this. Bni, B-I-N-I, Bollinger is, basically this is what used to be Faraday, right? Or Mullen. Yeah, it used to be Mullen. I'm sorry, y'all. I look at a lot of different stocks, but this used to be Mullen, and it's continuing to fall for a lot of reasons. Mainly, it's a trash company. So if you're in this thing, I'm sorry. The best thing to do is to trade it. Just get in and out. I am not in it. I don't have a dog in that race. I've got cash set aside that, while I'm watching it today, if it looks good to me, I might get in. But as of right now, I'm not in there. But I'm just as hyped up as if I did have a share, any in there, because it is exciting just to watch it, just to see, other people make money. I hope everybody does, but way it is some people make some and some people lose. It's how it has to go as well. So hopefully you're not on the short side of it, but I think it's gonna do well. ATNF looks like it's still doing well. That one was good to us today. Where's it at? Oh, yeah, it's starting to set up for us here. It's looking pretty tasty. 1270. But I also feel like a lot of people are selling their positions and getting out of, whatever else that they're playing with just to get into bullish. So be careful out there. The closer we get to this IPO drop, whatever else you're playing with, because people are selling to shore up cash to get into bullish. I mean, I'm sure, or whatever else, right? But I know there's people out there doing it. So just be careful. That's all, just let's be smart. Closer that we get to Friday, that's how you got to do it. You got to be smarter about your trades. Monday could be the worst or best trading day, right? Friday could probably be the worst, but sometimes it's the best. It's like, what? So cheers to everybody out there. I got a little bit of coffee. Still working on my joffies. Staying in the charts, staying in the books. But yeah, Kava had a nice little rebound bounce off of that, where it was consolidating the 60s, 63, 64. It was looking really good to me. I was hoping it was going to drop below that, but back to $72 for Kava. Just impressive, man. It's almost halfway back to where it was, where it dropped. Really impressive. I'll tell you another stock that we did well on is yesterday, Kodak. Beautiful, 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 beautiful curl here. It fell down to $5.03, and we got in there like 503, 502, just right at the bottom for Kodak. And we sold. We took our profit yesterday when it went up above the $5 or 520, 530, whatever. I think it ended the day like 540s, and it's 565 now. So up 4%. Kodak needed to shore up the cash, but would have loved to hold that thing until today. Knew that it would do well. Still has room to go, man. It fell a lot. It fell 40 something percent yesterday. So shout out to Kodak. Big up, big up. A lot of people was worried about it yesterday, I'm sure. Sold their positions. Thank you. Thank you for the shares. Appreciate it. Made out well. That was our best trade yesterday, actually, Kodak. So I say that to say this. It's earnings season, it's earnings time. So watch what's going on, because some of these stocks that drop really, really, really get oversold. People panic sell, and you're able to grab some really great companies at a low price. Bullish is gonna, it looks like that it's going to be in the 60s to $70 range now. So it's going to be pretty expensive. It's getting to where I don't have enough cash shored up for it. It looks like it's going to be almost double the pre IPO, you know what I'm saying, price where people were getting in at the 30, 33. Looks like it's going to be double that. But, I'm not a rocket scientist, so don't hold me to it. That's just what I've been kind of seeing, and that's where they looks like it'll be at. It's not out yet. Not that I know of. It hasn't, they actually haven't released it yet, but it looks good. If you were able to get in there, it's looking pretty good. But we'll see what happens. I don't think it's going to do bad. I don't see how. If it does, it's going to be great for us because I'll be able to get in. If it does bad, if it has a bad start, definitely be trying to scoop up some. I don't have any shares. Do not have any. And there you go, Bollinger, Bmi fallen again. It's almost down 20% today. So, not financial advice. If you're in there, that's what that stock does. That's what Mullen did. It's just going to be every day down, 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 and have little pops here and there. So, that's how we've been trading it. I would not own that thing for more than a day. But then again, when it drops under $1, it's probably going to have some really good, crazy 10% gain days. That's why I'm watching it. Not because it's a good company. Because it's got really good spikes. When it happens. Market's on fire. Fire, I tell you. I think right now, a lot of people are making money in the market, obviously. But, things do change. It's not going to be a bull market forever. Doesn't mean that you can't take advantage of it. But a lot of people are going to tell you, doom and gloom, fear. It's always a bull market somewhere. But I'm not going to stay on here until, 1:30, whenever they do release the IPO. I want to be able to watch it and trade it. As well as other stocks. Maxon's up almost 6%. Let's go. It's going to be a wild ride. It's going to be a movie. So if you're in that thing, definitely be smart about it. Set your stop losses and watch it. Don't walk away. Go garden or cut grass while this IPO is live. Because, hey, it could go to $100 and maybe you want to sell. Maybe you want to take a little profit. Because as cool as I think it is, and as great as it looks like it's going to be, it will have red days ahead of it, right? Just like every stock. So if you're not in it, Just be patient. Your time will come. Mm-mm-mm. It will happen. Let's check out some upcoming earnings. I'll throw a couple of these out there for you guys if you don't know. 10 cent. Got earnings coming up. You know, it's like one of the biggest companies in the world. No big deal. Lucid got earnings coming up. Actually, oh, these are today? Ooh, maybe that's why. We need to look at that one. ALCO. So, a lot of companies. My goodness, I didn't think it was that many. Just know that we're bullish AF on bullish. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so if you guys don't have any questions for me, if you don't have any tickers that you want me to look at, Sleep Number, man, looking beautiful. Rent the Runway is actually green. Rent is green. It's up 12%. Man, that's one stock that has just gotten clobbered. That's cool to see. Good for them. Going to be hopping off of here so we can make some trades. I already see some things I'm liking before this IPO so that I can get the popcorn started. Because I have not had anything to eat today. But that's all right. We normally wait till later. Let's go. But I hope you guys make some money today. Thank you for all the interactions and, you know, engagements, the thumbs up, the likes. If you guys are sharing the videos, rock star, and especially if you subscribed, freaking rock stars. Good luck, everybody. I think that the IPO is going to do well. I don't think you have a whole lot to worry about, but I would always be smart about it. You know what I'm saying? Be observant, know what's going on, and trust your gut. Trust your gut feeling, y'all, because there's a lot of other people out there that are probably thinking and wanting to do the same thing. So that's how the market works. A lot of emotion. Do not trade with your emotions. That's what I'm trying to say. Because other people do. And you can take advantage of that. All right. That's my tip of the day. It's like 90% psychological. It's all up here. A lot of the other stuff is important too, but that's why it doesn't make sense a lot of times. You're like, what is going on? Yeah, that's why. because it's not supposed to make sense. It's a losing game, so if you're winning a little bit, hey, you're doing well. You're doing good. Good luck, all of you. Everybody out there waiting on the IPO, y'all. But I think it's going to do well. I'm excited. So we'll see you on the next video or live stream. Hope y'all make some money today.